Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Looking at Apple on the daily, weekly, and shorter term time frame. So the bulls continued today, higher lows and higher highs, but we did reject from the 10-day moving average resistance, which is the first resistance we were going to encounter. So it is just an oversold bounce at this point. The RSI is bouncing right off 30, and after the 10-day moving average resistance, we have the 50-day at 112.13, and it would really require all moving averages becoming support again on the daily time frame to be looking for this trend to change to favor the bulls. The weekly time frame is regaining that 100-week moving average of 109.68, so that is a good sign for the bulls, but still a lot of work to do. I'm watching the daily chart very closely, and we can see we did close above this double bottom. It was a double bottom at 110.98, and again, stock charts adjust for the fact that the dividend was distributed by Apple. So this level, this double bottom, used to be 111.55, but now it is 110.98. And we did close above that level, so previous resistance now trying to turn back into support. But if we can't get over these moving averages, the bulls obviously are not going anywhere. So the rest of the week is going to be very telling, and we need to see a close above these moving averages. Otherwise, we're heading back down towards the recent lows, 109.70, 108.11. And looking at the 5-minute time frame, it shows the importance of why you need to be watching the overall market if you're trading any of these big names like Apple, Facebook, and it really just shows how computerized trading is these days and how the algos are connected together. Look at this chart with the weakness first thing, bulls turning things around, and then bull volume shows up, an explosion to the upside for 2 hours, a sell-off, and then a run at the end of the day. And all you have to do is type in SPY, and it's pretty much the exact same chart. Weakness first thing, explosion for 2 hours, pullback, run end of the day. It really is completely correlated one to the other. So looking at Apple on the hourly time frame, we were watching the importance of the 20-period moving average support because it held yesterday on 2 attempts. We lost it the first candlestick, but we did quickly regain it, and then we turned that 100-period into support. And zooming out, we can see the last time that 100-period moving average was support on the hourly time frame was all the way back before the earnings dump, and that was all the way back at 10:25. So slowly making progress. The 100-period moving average is now support. We leveled out after consolidating, and the bulls need to keep up the higher low, higher high pattern. But again, due to the overall correlation to the market, we need to see SPY continue this bounce as well for Apple bulls to continue to hold up strong. So we'll see what the reaction is going to be to the election overnight tomorrow, but you better believe that whatever SPY does, Apple is likely going to closely follow. And I do believe that in times of high volatility, that the correlation between individual names and the overall market is stronger. So I think that's a bit of what we saw the past 2 days, and we will see what comes tomorrow. Key moving averages, the 10-day and the 50-day, bulls need those levels as support. See you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.